What is that?
For protection. Put it inside my mouth now. Because I'm a doctor. I hope he did not bring strange virus from the shrine.
Jesus Christ.
My fellow doctor. Ibudu could not heal you. Finally, the mighty Juju man is now here seeking for the god of science. Okay. Dr. P. There's nothing you not see in this hospital. Okay. My son, what can I do for you?
You're welcome. Focus on your work. Stop that thing you are doing.
Oh, you want to teach me my job? In your own shrine, will I come to that place? Can I come to that place and tell you what to do? Now I'm here now. You are telling me what to do in my own office. Don't come and show me your pride here. Those your arrogance, leave it at the shrine. This place is a science place. What is your problem, Seth? After all, we are all doctors. The only difference is our uniform. Are we white, we are bada? Is it because I didn't tell you to put your shoe outside?
I'm sorry. Please, continue what you are doing. I'm sorry.
You better be. So Ibudu Juju did not work today. Wow. This is more interesting than Nigerian jollof. Child of the forest. So tell me, what seekest thou?
One, my body, they do me totally. I'm I'm fainting. That's why I say make I come. Make I know if he help me.
Oh, don't worry. I know why you're here. You are cold.
Yes, sir.
Covering wrapper.
About that, though.
Are we not good? The gods have spoken to me. But first, how often do you rest? Because I watch Nigerian movies a lot. All these native doctors, they don't rest. 247, they're always at the shrine. Or
sacrifice in the night, sacrifice in the morning. They check from the gods.
Of course. Spending nights dancing with the spirits must be tiring. No wonder you're here shivering like Nokia 3310. And this can be as a result of an inactive cardiovascular cataplectic pyrosis syndrome.
Lord of Jesus. Doctor, what is that?
Daddy Gio, that shall not serve two masters, oh. Today is so funny. Kai.
Doctor, is this serious? Am I going to die?
What happened to your spiritual eyes? I thought people don't die, you. All I'm saying, a layman's understanding is, hold on. God, you are too funny. Take. The medicine I wrote there, it will help you rest and regain energy faster. In no distant time, you'll be dancing again with the spirits.
Thank you so much, doctor. You have done well. If you need my help, you can come. Open Dr. Kaya.
You're welcome, Daddy Gio.
Jesus!
Pastor, please pray for me. Oh, don't worry, I'm coming over.
I hope you enjoy that Vomit video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.